Hi, I'm Dennis Flanagan with Green for Life, and today we're going to talk about getting that lawn nice and green for springtime. Look at this beautiful green grass. How did we get it? By applying an early fertilizer. And look at these numbers. This is important. 10-0-5. This stands for nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. The essential element is the first one, nitrogen. That gives you this beautiful green, lush looking lawn early in the spring. Most fertilizer companies now are downplaying the middle number. The phosphorus and potassium really strengthens the roots of a plant. So let's look for that high number to start with early in the spring. Get it down as early as you can, and hey presto, magic, green grass. These three numbers still apply to general gardening. When you're doing flower gardens and vegetable gardens, we tend to downplay the nitrogen end of things and upplay or increase the phosphorus and potassium numbers. So look for that on fertilizers, and as you get into things like flower gardens, hanging baskets, window boxes, you're really then looking for a more balanced number. So something like 20-20-20 will apply to those numbers. Do you know, fertilizer is one of those things in the industry that kind of confuses the average gardener. Let's try to put a few things in perspective here. If you've got large properties, if you need to do a lot of fertilizing, then you've got to go for the big stuff, the big bags, and that's sort of what this is. Again, we're going to see the high nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, high nitrogen, early spring, get it on the lawns to green up. Other types of fertilizer tend to be what we call the slow release fertilizer, and these are like little pellets, but they're coated, and that's the secret of this. Is it's a coated fertilizer, which means when you add it to hanging baskets, window boxes, flower gardens, it releases very slowly as you add water and as the temperature rises. For the average container, I always like to say that you need 2 scoops. I always think I'm selling cereal when I say that, but 2 scoops of fertilizer for the average container tends to do the trick for the first few weeks of the season. And then, just now that you're really confused, I'm going to add another one, which is a water soluble. As the name suggests, you take the fertilizer, follow the directions, mix it with water, either in a dispenser or a watering can, as simple as a watering can. This to me is very fast acting. So if you've got plants that need a quick boost, a little injection, this is great for adding it, and also nice to add through the season to keep a nice even mix of fertilizer throughout the soil. I hope you found that helpful. For more on this and other Green for Life topics, contact your local garden centre or landscape company, or try our website at landscapeontario.com.